Okay. In this video, we're going to continue with Chapter 5.4. We're on page 307 if you have the book. And we're going to be doing number 2 and number 3. So let's begin. So in number 2 it says, write in words the weight of potassium. Okay? Now, the weight in potassium for a 150-pound body, that's located in the chart. That is on page, it's on page 305, so you've got to go back a page. And it says that it is 0.3, so if you look at it, let's see here. Let's see, we got, write it out ourselves. Let's go. So it is let's use a different color. Here we go. Let's try this one. It's 0.3. Okay? So to write that out in words, that's going to equal 3 tenths of a pound. Just like that. 3/10 of a pound. Okay? So again, this right here, this 0.3 right here, this is in the 10th position. This 3 is in the 10th position, so you write 3/10 of a pound. Okay? So let's do 2b. And 2b is, let's see here, write in words the weight of the amount of copper in a 150-pound body. Okay, so we go back and we look at it and we see that it is 0.00023. Okay, so let's write that out. It's 0.00023. Okay, so in order to write this out in words, we need to look at how many numbers there are to the right of this point. Okay, this digit. All right, so how many? I mean this decimal. So how many? Let's see here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, well, in previous videos we talked about the fact that if there's 5 numbers, then there's 5 zeros next to the 1 that's on bottom. Meaning, so say we had 1 divided by 1, so here's a 1, and then there'd be 5 zeros next to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 100,000. So this 3 is in the 100,000th place. So what you'd say that, how you would write this, you'd say it was 23 hundred thousandths. Okay, so let's write it out and see what it looks like. So again, you're gonna just write. You're not gonna write the 0. You're not gonna go 0, 0, 2300,000. No, you're just gonna do 23. So you're gonna do 20. Three hundred thousands, and then of a pound as well, like so. All right, let's erase this and let's continue. So now we're on 2C. So 2C, they want to know which element would have a weight of 600 thousandths of a pound. So what would have a weight of 600 thousandths of a pound? Well, based off of what we just looked at, we know that the 2300 thousandths of a pound, we know we wrote this right here because this right here, this 3 was in the 100,000ths position. So if we're going to have a 600 thousandths element, you know, that 600 thousandths element has that weight of 600 thousandths. We need to find an element that has a 6 in the 100th thousandths place. Okay, so we go look back there and we see that iodine. Iodine is right here is 0.00006, right? 5 numbers after the decimal point. And we see that the 6 is in the 100th thousandth place. So because it's in the 100th thousandth place, when you write it in words, it's going to be 600 thousandths of a pound. So let's try that out, even though they already have it in the book. Let's just write it out again. 600 thousandths, all right, of a pound, okay? Which is iodine. This is iodine, okay? Iodine, all right? So that is 2, A, B, and C, okay? So again, when you're writing out decimals and putting them in words, you need to focus on what the last number, what position the last number is in, okay? The last number on the far right is in, okay? This was a 3, and it was in the 100 thousandths position. So that's what you need, that's how you need to refer to the number. You need to refer to it as 2300 thousandths. And then the 6 was in the 100 thousandths position, so again it's 600 thousandths of a pound, okay? So we're going to pause the video, and then we're going to do 3, okay? All right. I hope to see you in the next video.